Hello dear students. Till previous lecture, we completed MCQ from 1 to 30. In this video, we are going to learn MCQ from 31 to 53. So let us start our today's work. Question number 31. What is the value of byx in the regression line is y cap equal to 80 plus 0.3x. The y cap is equals to a plus bx. In regression line, always coefficient of x is b, and here in given regression line, the coefficient of x is 0.3. Therefore, b equals to coefficient of x 0.3. Answer C is correct. Option C is correct. Question number 32. State the form of regression model when there is perfect linear correlation between two variables. See, actually, the regression model is y equal to alpha plus beta x plus u. But when there is perfect relation between two variables, there is no chance of disturbance variable or error. That's why the regression model is y equal to alpha plus beta x, and it is given in the option B. Option B is correct. Y equal to alpha plus beta x. Now question number 33. State the formula of A in the regression line y equal to A plus bx. Okay. In regression line y equal to A plus bx, A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. And y bar minus bx bar is given in option A. Option A is correct. Question number 34. What is interval of r square? Okay, see, r square equal to what? R square equal to square of correlation coefficient, and correlation coefficient is always lies between -1 and +1. The minimum value of r is -1 and maximum value is +1. So r square equals to 1. So maximum value of r square equal to 1 and minimum value is 0. So r square is lying between 0 and 1. The interval of r square is 0 and 1. It is given in option B. Option B is correct. Question number 35. Amongst the two random variable having cause and effect relationship, which type of effect variable? Absolute, B relative, C linear, and D significant. Option A is correct. Absolute relation. 36. Question number 36. How many methods are to fitting of regression line? Okay, there are actually two methods of fitting regression line. One is scatter diagram method and second one is least square method. So option B is correct option. Question number 37. Which term is minimized in the method of least square? Error term, B sum of error term, C square of error term, and D sum of square of error term. Option D is correct. In least square method, sum of square of error should be minimized. 38 number. The value of coefficient of determination cannot be positive, negative, 1 or 0. Okay, value of determination means r square. Okay, it cannot be equal to positive, it cannot be positive, negative, 1 or 0. It cannot be negative because r square equal to small r square, and maximum and minimum value of r is plus or minus 1, and always a square of -1 or +1 is 1. So value of coefficient of determination is always positive or 0. So option B is correct option in 38 number. Question number 39. How is the method? How is the method of scatter diagram for fitting a regression line? Option B is correct. It is a subjective method. Okay, question number 40. What should be the sum of square of error while fitting a regression line? Okay, it should be minimum. Sum of square of error should be minimum. So option C is correct option. Question number 41. What is called constant A in regression line? It is called intercept. Option B is correct. A is called intercept and B is called slope of tangent or sorry slope of line. Option B is correct in 41. Question number 42. If all the points of a scattered diagram lie on a line, state the value of error. If all the points of a scatter diagram lie on a straight line, then there is perfect relation between two variables. That means there is no error. Error is zero. So option is correct. Option C is correct. What is called B in regression line? Okay, હમણાં જ આપણે વાત કરી કે slope of line is called B in regression line. So option A is correct for 43 number. Now 44. How is B represented in another way? B equal to regression coefficient of y on x and it is represented by byx. It is given in option B. Option B is correct. Variation arising, 45 number, variation arising in estimation, which variable is called an error? Okay, there are four options are given: independent variable, dependent variable, continuous variable, and discrete variable. So we don't have to think about discrete and continuous variable. Dependent variable is correct option in question number 45. Question number 46. To whom is the study of regression line? Okay, economists, researcher, planners, and to all. So all economics, researcher, and planners all are use regression for their studies. So option D is correct in 46. 47. The regression coefficient is independent of which change? There is no effect of plus and minus in regression coefficient, means regression coefficient is independent from the effect of origin. Option B is correct. Question number 48. For what value of r square? For what value of r square the regression model cannot be said reliable? Uh, if r square is near to 0, if r square is near to 0, approximately 0, then regression model is not reliable. It is not advisable to use the regression line for estimation. So option C is correct, near to 0. Question number 49. For what value of r square the regression model can be said reliable? Okay, if r square is near to 1, close to 1, then it is advisable to use the regression line. So option very near to 1, option A is correct. Question number 50. Which is the model to know the reliability of estimated value? Okay, coefficient of determination આપણે ઘણા ક્વેશ્ચનમાં આગળ વાત કરી r square. R square થી આપણે જાણી શકીએ કે model is advisable to use or not. Option D is correct. 51 number, on which is the sign of regression coefficient based? Okay, formula of byx is equals to covariance of xy divided by sx square. This is basic formula and we know very well sx square is always positive and covariance it may be positive or negative. So sign of byx is depends on covariance. Option B is correct in 51. Question 52. What can it be called? The increases in x implies decreases in y. Okay, if value of x is increases, value of y is decreases, then when byx is negative, and if value of x is increases, then the dependent variable y is decreases. Opposite change in x and y, it is given in option B when b is negative. And 53, which of the two variables related by cause effect relation is called effect variable? Okay, effect variable is dependent variable. Option B is correct. So student, I hope કે રિગ્રેશન ના MCQ તમને બરાબર ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો હશે, સમજણા હશે. તો નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે બીજા કોઈ ચેપ્ટરના MCQ સાથે મળશું. ગુડ બાય એવરીવન, ટેક કેર.